This video is a quick training guide to show you how to create a project request in Project Insight and then copy that information on over to a project. Now, first you'll notice that I have already gone ahead and filled out some of these fields. We have the native fields such as name and description, but then we also have some additional custom fields that I've put into place. And what we want to do when we make sure is that when we create this into a project, that those fields then also transfer over to the project. So the first thing that I'm going to do, now that we have looked to see and filled out those fields, is I'm going to go ahead and save this request. And now you can see here that this request has been saved to my request home. We're going to open that request again. And now here you can see that the project request has been created. Now, before we create this into a project, what we're going to do is we're just going to make sure that the information that we inputted on the previous project request came over in both the native fields and in the custom fields. So if you look here, we have site inspection. That was the native field for name. The information that we inputted into the description transferred over, and so did our custom fields. So now what we're going to do from here is we're going to click Create Project. And when you click Create Project, you're going to want to make sure that these fields also then transferred into the project fields. So if you notice, both the native fields as well as the custom fields moved on over into the project add. So now what we can do is we have the option to just go ahead and save this and create the project from ground up, or we can select an existing template to create that project. So we can hit save. Once that project has been created, you'll be able to see that that name transferred over. And if you want to see the rest of the fields, you can go ahead and look at the project edit screen. And that's then going to show you those fields once again. Now, if I ever wanted to review the project request again, you can go ahead and go here to the views and select project request. And here in the project request, you can see the information that was inputted on the original form again, any of the information that's been on there, as well as any activity that has also been done with this form. And once a project has been created from a form, it is automatically assigned this closed status here. And this has been a quick video showing you how to create a project request and its accompanying data into the system here in Project Insight.